This is the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. As you guys know, my goal is to accumulate an entire Bitcoin, and I'm showing you exactly how much Bitcoin I'm making every single month and where I'm getting the Bitcoin and how you can get some Bitcoin absolutely free. In today's video, I will show you exactly how much I made in September, and I will show you the numbers for October as well, what I have earned so far. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, in September, I earned a total of $1,225.10 worth of Bitcoin. I earned 0.00150405 on Go Mining, and then I earned a whopping 0.1205685 with the Gemini credit card. This does include the $250 free bonus and some other perks as well. But in total, I was able to accumulate just over $1,200. That brings the total to $1,795 worth of BTC. And now I'm about to show you the numbers for October. So October is not over yet. It is currently October the 19th, and so far I have already made $1,196.02 worth of Bitcoin. So with the Go Mining platform, I made 0.00101834, and then with the Gemini credit card, I earned 0.0100467. So that brings the total amount so far in October to slightly under $1,200 worth of Bitcoin. And the total amount so far is $2,867.44 worth of Bitcoin. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is around $108,000. In June, when I first started the challenge, I didn't have much Bitcoin at all, but every single month it grows and grows and it gets bigger and bigger. And now let me show you exactly how I'm earning this Bitcoin. One of the platforms that I'm using to earn this Bitcoin is called Go Mining. As you can see, with this platform, it allows you to mine Bitcoin every single day. So every single day, you are getting some passive income. The way it works is you purchase these NFT miners on the marketplace, or you create one. The more terahashes, the more mining power you have, the more Bitcoin you are going to earn every single day. Also, the better your efficiency, the better your earnings will be in the long term. As you can see, I have a couple of different miners. I recently purchased this greedy machine that has over 148 terahashes. So my total power so far is 253 terahashes. If you are wondering how much Bitcoin I'm earning with 253 terahashes, I'm about to show you. So when we go over to the rewards section, you will see my daily Bitcoin payouts and the full breakdowns. As you can see, yesterday I made 10,868 Satoshis. So as you can see, every single day I'm earning some Bitcoin. But the last 2 days I have earned the most amount of Bitcoin on this platform simply because I bought that new miner. But before I was earning around $5-6 a day. Now with the new miner, I'm making $11.80 a day worth of Bitcoin, which is not bad at all. So if we take $11.79 and we multiply it by 30 days, that comes out to $353.70 worth of Bitcoin every single month. The thing that I love about Go Mining is the payouts are daily, so you can literally cash out every single day with this platform. Also, if you use the link in the description box below, you'll get an extra 5% off your first miner. Obviously, with the Go Mining platform, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight. It definitely takes some time. It definitely takes some money in order to buy these miners, in order to grow their power, in order to improve their efficiency, and in order to grow your daily income. When I first started with Go Mining, I was making literally like 2-3 cents a day worth of Bitcoin. But then I started upgrading my miners. I started improving the efficiency. I got a couple of more miners, and then my power kept growing and growing. I kept reinvesting, growing my account, and now I'm almost at $12 a day. Obviously, I'm not going to stop. I want to make $20 a day, $50 a day, and eventually get to $100 a day. It is not going to happen overnight, but I'm gonna definitely stick with it until I achieve that goal. And now let me show you the second way that I earn Bitcoin. The second way is by using the Gemini credit card. With this free credit card, you are getting back 4% in Bitcoin or any other crypto that you choose for gas, EV charging, transit such as Uber and Lyft. You're getting 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and then 1% on everything else. And if you use the link in the description box below to get this credit card, instead of getting a $200 bonus, you're going to get an extra $50. So you're going to get a total of $250 worth of free crypto if you spend $3K in the first 90 days. Best of all, there's no annual fees whatsoever, so you'll be earning crypto on every single swipe. You can also choose from 50 different cryptocurrencies, so you can accumulate Bitcoin for 1 month, Ethereum the next month, XRP the third month, Solana the month after, Chainlink, and then you can literally build a crypto portfolio by simply using your credit card. They have a couple of different colors to choose from, or you can get the gold pink or the blue XRP with the logos as well. In my opinion, this is a great way to accumulate some Bitcoin. When we go over into my credit card account, you will see the total rewards right here. And I have earned $1,812.76 worth of Bitcoin. When we look at my transactions, you will see I earned 3% on fast food, another 3% on fast food, and then 1% on Burlington, and then all the other purchases as well. In my opinion, these are great ways to accumulate some Bitcoin. Obviously, it is not going to earn you a Bitcoin overnight, but over time it does accumulate. And hopefully we will keep this challenge going until I actually get one whole Bitcoin. I will be adding on a couple of different ways to earn some more Bitcoin, so stay tuned for those videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get the Gemini credit card, or if you want to sign up to Go Mining. The links will be in the description box below. Like, subscribe, see you next video. Peace out.